I am going to take you on a tour of Cherry Campground in the Uinta National Forest. It's a drive-through tour, and I filmed it with my GoPro Hero 7 Black. So we're entering the campground right now. It's located in Uinta National Forest. It's up above Springville on Hobble Creek Canyon. It's on the right fork, just past Jolley's Ranch Park, which is an amazing park you should go check out, and I have videos for it. The campsites have plenty of shade, and there's a lot of trees. There's a lot of space in between the campsites, and they're well marked. And it's kind of level ground. It's a really beautiful area. I highly recommend it. You got to book early since the campsites fill up really fast. They're very popular, and you can only camp from May to October. It's closed for the rest of the season. In fact, you can't even drive up to there. And you can already see, I filmed this in the fall when the leaves are starting to fall a little bit. There's no electricity, and there's a few sites that are tent only. Most of them can take an RV. Most of them don't have pull-throughs. Just so people are aware, I know like you prefer pull-throughs usually. There's a lot of picnic tables everywhere. Now you can really start seeing the leaves turning the color and some of them falling. There's really nice restrooms, dumpster. So this is the other loop that we're going to go check out now. And I believe there's actually a group area over here that we can check out. And there you can see there's a volleyball net on the right. I think the group areas to the left there was a lot of picnic tables and stuff like that. And also in this area, there's a lot of hiking trails that you can take. I don't know if you can access them from the campsite, but there's lots of trails that you can take, and it's free entry to get into the area. Obviously you have to pay for the campsites. Usually campsites in the area are 20 to 40 bucks to rent per night. It's absolutely gorgeous. All that sunlight coming through. So if you've liked what you've seen here at Cherry Campground, I highly recommend you book it or another campsite in the area. And you can do that on the National Forest website, which I will link in the description below. And I recommend you check out some of the other tours that I'm going to be posting on this channel. And please like and share this video if you did enjoy it. And you have a good day.